Chapter 18, Concept of Angles. When a hand of a clock turns from one position to another, it changes its direction. You can show this change of direction or turning by drawing two arrows from one point. The concept of angles comes into existence with the need to measure the amount of rotation of the rays. So we can think of an angle as an amount of turning or rotation. The picture here shows how the hands of a clock turn through different angles as they rotate. Angle. An angle is a figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. The two rays are called the arms or sides of the angle. The common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle. Naming an angle. To name any angle, we name any point on one ray and follow the following steps. Step 1. An angle is written using the symbol of angle this. It is written before the name of angle. Step 2. The common point of vertex is written in the middle. Step 3. The other 2 points of the rays are written on either side of the common vertex. Therefore, the name of the angle drawn can be written as angle POQ or angle QOP. Interior and exterior of an angle. The inside of an angle, that is the region between the rays, is called the interior of the angle. Point P is in the interior of the angle ABC. Point A, B, C, D and E are on the arms, also called sides of the angle. The points of the plane that do not lie on the arms or in the interior of the angle are in the exterior of the angle. The points Q and R are in the exterior of angle ABC. Comparison of angles. We can easily compare two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR, by comparing the expansion of the sides of the given angles. Here, for comparing two angles, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Draw an angle ABC on a sheet of paper. Step 2. Place angle ABC over angle PQR. Step 3. The arm AB falls on arm PQ. We can say that angle PQR is smaller than angle ABC. Step 4. Again, A lies in the exterior of angle RQP. Clearly, angle CBA is greater than angle RQP. That is, angle ABC is greater than angle PQR. Activity. Compare the given two angles. Let angle ABC and angle DEF be two angles given here. We compare them by the following steps. Step 1. Trace angle DEF on a piece of paper. Place the tracing of angle DEF on angle ABC such that D falls on A and ray DE falls on ray AB as shown in the figure. We observe that D lies in the exterior of angle ABC. That is, angle DEF is greater than angle ABC. However, this method is practically difficult. To overcome this difficulty, we need to measure the angles exactly. Measuring an angle. Measuring an angle is to know the exact gap between two arms of an angle. It can be measured with the help of an instrument called protractor. Protractor. A protractor is an instrument which is used to measure an angle. It looks like D shape of the English alphabet. A protractor has a horizontal line at the straight edge of the protractor. It has two scales, one inner scale and another outer scale along the curved edge showing 180-degree even divisions. The outer scale increases from left to right. The inner scale increases from right to left. The line joining the centers of the horizontal line to the 90-degree division divides the protractor into two halves vertically. The angle is measured in degrees. That is, the unit of angle is degrees and its symbol is this. Angle measuring 90 degrees can be written as 90 degree. Classification of angles. On the basis of measurement of the given angles, they can be classified. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees is called an acute angle. In the given figure, angle POQ is equals to 45 degree, which is less than 90 degrees. Therefore, angle POQ is an acute angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is called a right angle. In the given figure, angle AOB is equals to 90 degrees. Therefore, angle AOB is a right angle. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. In the given figure, angle LOM is equals to 110 degrees. Clearly, it is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Therefore, angle LOM is an obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees is called a straight angle. In the given figure, angle ROS is equals to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle ROS is a straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. In the given figure, angle MON is equals to 230 degrees. Therefore, angle MON is a reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle of measure 360 degree is called a complete angle. In the given figure, angle STR is equals to 360 degrees. Therefore, angle STR is a complete angle. Zero angle. An angle is measure 0 degrees is called a zero angle. It is formed when two arms of an angle overlap each other. In the given figure, angle AOB is equals to 0 degrees. Therefore, angle AOB is a zero angle. Pairs of related angles. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary angles if the sum of their measures is 90 degrees. Complementary angles need not to be adjacent. It is only the sum of their measures. For example, an angle of 50 degrees is complementary to another angle of measure 40 degrees. Each angle is said to be the complement of the other. Example 1. Find the complement of an angle of 54 degrees. We know that complementary angles makes a sum of 90 degrees. So, therefore, complement of 54 degrees will be equal to 90 minus 54. 90 degree minus 54 degrees, which is equals to 36 degrees. Hence, this is our required answer. Supplementary angles. Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. For example, the two angles measuring 120 and 60 degrees are supplementary to each other. Each angle is said to be the supplement of the other. Example 3. Find the supplement of an angle of 62 degrees. We know that supplementary angles makes a sum of 180 degrees. Hence, we can write it as supplement of 62 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees minus 62 degrees, which is equals to 118 degrees. Hence, the required answer is 118 degrees.